Hi all, I'm Paul from Karnetic. We are the Autel partner for the UK and Ireland, and we're here today to introduce you to a company called Activate Accident Repair, who we have supplied the IA900 equipment to. It's a great solution that combines vehicle diagnostic equipment, wheel alignment, ADAS, and reporting as well. The difference is we're using a diagnostic scan tool to drive the wheel alignment and the ADAS and the steering angle sensor from there. Let's go inside now and meet the team that are using this equipment.
I'm the workshop manager for Activate at Kings Only.
So service we provide for our customers predominantly bodywork, accident repair, anything from a little fender dinging up to putting full sides in vehicles and repairing. So we have approximately 22 technicians on this site. Most of them are able to use wheel alignment, the ADAS calibration, and we've also got several scan tools within the workshop that we use, and it's very, very rarely we come up against something that we can't do with those tools. For me, the Autel IA900 is a great versatile piece of kit, does absolutely everything we need it to do, and we like the fact that it's regularly updated and the support is backed 100% by the package, and that's why we chose Autel for our workshop.
My name's Daryl. I've been working at Activate now for just under 2 years. I do MET and I'm also four-wheel alignment ADAS calibration trained. I've been in the motor industry now for just over 16 years. At Activate, anything can come through the door, but lucky with Autel, we have the coverage to cope with it. So what we've got to do is at the end of the vehicle's been repaired, it comes to me. I do the ADAS calibration, which is really good with Autel. The Autel system's great to use. It's very easy. It shows you step by step how to set it up, which is great. So if you forget something, it shows you exactly how to use it. It shows you how far back you've got to put the car, how far forward you've got to go, and also if there's a part that's out, you click a little button and it shows you how on the car, on that specific car, how to adjust it to make it perfect, which is great. You've got a screen, as you can see behind me, and you also have the diagnostic tool, so you can see it two ways. So if you've got someone who needs help, you can watch the screen behind me. And also what is really good as well is at the end, after you've had to adjust it, it gives you torque settings of how the bolt should be. At the end, it makes you do a steering angle sensor if you had to adjust it, which is great. So once I've done my ADAS calibration, I've got to do a detailed post-test. It will show all details on there, and also it'll have the calibration certificate on there. And then what I do is I email it straight over. If we have any issues, we just call support. They pick up the phone and they answer all the questions that we need to, which is very handy.